Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's video, I am talking about Pulte Homes and where they are currently building and talking about their builder warranty and how to create a service request if you need it in the future. So where are they building? They're building in quite a few states. I'm not going to list them all. So they're Arizona, Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland. So let's see, what are they building in Maryland? So they're in Laurel, Maryland. They're in Boyd's. They are in Potomac, Maryland as well. So there are some condos there. First set of condos in Potomac, Maryland. All right. So now what we want to do is go to the warranty page and see what is included. So warranty highlights. So I'm going to start at the bottom and move up. So what is good to know that say you purchased your home 5 years ago and it's a Pulte home, it is transferable. So it transfers to the new owner. So 1 year covers materials and workmanship. 2 years covers the plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and other mechanical systems. Year 5 covers water infiltration and internal leaks. And Year 10 covers the structural interior integrity of the home. So for 10 years, you have a warranty on the structural, and then it goes down from there. And so you can click on what the actual warranty includes with these, this actual PDF. I'll click on that. And so it goes through everything that's included, what's not included. And so now we want to go to the service request panel. So first, what you want to do is you want to click on your state. So I'm just going to click on a random state. So you have to make sure you click the region, the state and the region, so it won't let you move on. Then next, you want to say, well, what type of repair do you need? So is it the cabinets? Is it concrete, the countertop? Like, what's going on with it? And then so say it's a drywall issue. And say then you want to describe the problem. It's not necessary that you do, but the more information, the better. Then where is it located? Is it in the basement? Is it in the bathroom? Is it the library? Like, where is it? And then you want to upload at least 3 photos. It's optional, but I would recommend that you do that. And then, well, actually, it's not going to allow me to do that until I finish that. So now, okay, you have to fill out everything before it lets you move on. So let's say I have 2 things going on, or 3 things, or 4 things. So you want to put it all in the same ticket if you have something going on, instead of filling out several different tasks. And then you want to submit. I can't submit because I don't have a Pulte home. So I just wanted to show you how that process works. And then you submit your ticket, and then if you need to call them, you can call them here with this number. And I will put all of the required links in the description below. And make it a great day. If you have any questions about a Pulte home to sell or to purchase, give me a call at 240-284-4114.